In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Manychat account. We'll walk through the full process together, from opening the website to creating your account to connecting your first channel and then adding more channels later. By the end, you'll have a working Manychat account ready to start automating your messages. First, open your browser and go to the official Manychat sign up page. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on Get Started Free. This will open a page asking where you'd like to start, or in other words, which channel you want to connect first. Manychat works with channels like Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Messenger, and more. For now, just choose one that you plan to use. Don't worry too much about this choice, because you can always add more channels later on. After you choose your starting channel, Manychat will ask how you want to sign up. You can usually sign up with options like Google or Facebook. Click the method that works best for you. A pop-up window will appear asking for your login details for that platform. Go ahead and sign in with your usual username and password. Once that login is successful, Manychat will automatically create your new account and bring you into your dashboard. Now that your Manychat account is created, let's connect an additional channel. On your dashboard, look for the option that says Add New Account and click the plus sign. You'll be asked again which channel you want to connect. For this example, choose Instagram. Then click on Connect via Meta. A new pop-up will open where you'll sign in with the credentials for your Instagram business account. Follow the prompts to select the correct business portfolio and then choose which Instagram account you want to connect to Manychat. When you finish that process, the pop-up will close and your browser will reload back to your Manychat dashboard. You should now see that you have one channel connected, listed clearly on the screen. If you want to connect more channels, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. Inside the Settings section, look at the left panel again and find the option called Channels. Under this, you'll see all the available channels that can be connected to your Manychat account. Click on the channel you want, then inside that channel's settings, click Connect. From there, simply follow the on-screen prompts, just like you did before, until the channel is successfully added.